Hello guys, welcome back to Cheesy and Family channel. So in today's video I'll be making spinach soup without red oil. You're gonna love this soup. This soup is excellent. So guys, stay tuned. Let's dive into it. Okay, the first thing I will do is to boil the meat. It's already washed. And I'll be putting the chicken, then the gizzards, so I'll be putting salt, and then this jumbo Maggi. So right now I'm putting my onions and water to boil the meat. So I'm gonna cover the meat to cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, right now I'm gonna cut the fish the size that I want it. And as you can see, I'm scraping the back. So at this point, I will put in the fish to boil together with the meat. So I'm gonna cover the pot again to cook for about 5 minutes. So at this point, I'm cutting my tomatoes and bell peppers, onions. So I'm gonna blend everything and so right now I'm blending the bell peppers. So after blending, I'll turn it to my pot and cook it until the water is dry. So right now I'm cutting the mushrooms. So at this point, I'll be bringing all the fish out. I'll be putting the mushrooms to cook for about 4 minutes. Okay, right now the water is dry from the bell pepper, so I'll be putting vegetable oil and seasoning and some salt, and I will cook it for about 5 minutes before transferring it inside my pot of soup. So at this point, I'm putting my Varelina and I'm gonna cook this Varelina for just 3 minutes before putting my spinach. So at this point, I'll be putting spinach, my frozen spinach. So it's time for me to put the fish. So at this point, soup is ready. the sweet and the delicious soup is ready. Guys, I need you to try this method of soup. You're gonna like it, you're gonna love it. So right now I'm dishing the soup that I'm gonna put inside the freezer, because it's not good to leave everything in the pot. If you leave everything in the pot, before you know, everything will change color. So I usually bring it out after cooking. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, because I know that you're gonna love it. See you next time in my next video. Bye.